Hello?
Miss Lestico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Welcome back to another day of word problems. Oh my goodness. Are you ready, Miss Lynn?
I'm ready. What's our target, Miss Lestico?
Well, our target today is I can solve change unknown word problems.
Ooh, we've been practicing solving those result unknown word problems, so what's a change unknown? I don't remember.
Well, I remember that when we were first learning about word problems, we had unknowns, so our mystery box for our word problems. And so if a change is unknown, that means that how much being added or subtracted in our problem, we have no idea what that is.
That's right. We would know how the problem starts. We don't know how it changes, but we knew how it ended. Oh, okay. Well, let's take a look at some change unknown word problems. Miss Lestico?
All right, so our first word problem says, Carly had 3 balloons. Dan gave her some more balloons. Now Carly has 12 balloons. How many balloons did Dan give Carly? So to start off this problem and making sure I understand all of the parts, I'm going to write down my number sentence. So it tells me that the start, Carly had 3 balloons. So I'm going to put down my 3 for her 3 balloons. And then it says Dan gave her some more balloons. So I know if she is being given balloons, that means we're going to add more balloons. So we're going to add some more.
I don't know what number that is, Miss Lestico.
I remember that when we did word problems last time, some is always our mystery number.
That's
because
right.
it's not a real number. So we have to figure out how many she was given. So she had 3. She was given some. Now Carly has 12 balloons. So my result would be 12 balloons at the end. Well,
These look like 10 frames, Miss Lestico.
It is. So I'm going to use 10 frames to solve this problem. And I know when I use 10 frames for our change unknown, it's really important to use 2 different colors so I can tell how many I'm adding and how many I started with. So I'm going to start with green for my start. And I know that she started with 3 balloons. So I'm going to put down 1, 2, 3 balloons.
Are you going to add 12 more then?
Well, no, because if I added 12 more, then she wouldn't have 12 balloons at the end. She would have 12 plus 3, and that's not our number sentence.
Oh, okay.
I have to find out how many I have to add to equal 12. So I know I have 3 right now, and I'm going to grab a different color so I can clearly see how many I have to add. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have to be really careful not to add 12 more orange, but just make sure that the total at the end is 12. And now I can really easily count and see how many she was given by Dan. So I just count my orange dots. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So to fill in my number sentence, I would say 3 plus 9 would equal 12.
Okay, now it's my turn. I'm going to do a word problem. It says, Katie has 5 muffins. Her sister gives her some more. Now she has 17 muffins. How many muffins did Katie's sister give her? Let me go back to my problem. Katie has 5 muffins. Well, that's what she starts with. So I'm going to put 5. She starts with 5. Okay, now let me keep reading, see what happens. It says, her sister gives her some more. If she's giving it to her, she's adding, so it's going to be plus some. Oh, you use a box, Miss Lestico, right?
Oh, yeah. So some isn't a real number, so we put a box.
So I have 5 plus some. Let me keep reading. Now she has 17 muffins. she has now. That's what she has all together. So I'm going to put my equals 17. Okay, how many muffins did Katie's sister give her? Yeah, that's what I'm solving for. I know how it started. I'm searching for how it changed, but I know its result. Well, I'm going to come to my part whole math because that's Miss Lime's favorite strategy, and it's really important to me that you know how to do this correctly. So I have my part whole mat, and I'm going to use two different colors, just like Miss Lestigo, because it's easier to see the difference. Let's see, Katie started with 5 muffins. That's my first part. So I'm going to put 5 in my first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I don't know my second part. I don't know how it changed. But I do know that in the result, she needs 17. So I'm going to pull these 5 down from my first part, and I'm going to add on until I get to 17. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And we're just going to pretend that that yellow guy's one of the orange guys. Well, I still need to find my answer. I'm looking for my second part or how it changed. So these are the ones that I added on. So I could, if I wanted to, scoot them back into their different parts. And I can count that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Katie's sister gave her 12 muffins. I could do the same thing for a number bond, Miss Lestigo.
We could. We know one of our parts. So one of our parts was 5. And then we were missing our other part. But we know that the lines show us that these 2 parts come together to make the whole. So we would just have to scoot these over. And then just like Miss Lime did in the part whole, the number bond needs the whole amount right here. And you can pretty clearly see, because we use 2 colors, how many you have to add on in order to make the total amount.
And we already had the counters counted out because we used them on a part whole mat. I wouldn't just throw counters on there. We would have to make sure that is the correct total amount. It's your turn. On Seesaw, you have some change unknown addition problems.
And you're going to have to use some of our strategies in order to solve them. When you're done, don't forget to hit the green check mark in the corner.